Hello world, we're back! Even though it's been like 5 minutes. Okay, like you know, I'm Jeremy. This is my YouTube, Super Mr. Nervous. Find me on Facebook, MySpace, Vampire Creek, my Airlook, 4 names. I'll put the links somewhere. That's it. Mine's are on Facebook, MySpace, Instagrams, maybe I won't. You guys don't like me, you like me though. So I'm more active and stuff. Look at my pretty necklace. It's a key, and then it has another part attached. It's a key and a lock. My dad is helping. I'm gonna tell my dad. Yeah, just call me. I'm at Ludo's. Making a YouTube video. You're just sitting here and rushing around. Yeah, because I'm totally going to get naked for people on YouTube to see. But, yeah. And I didn't. What are you talking about? Yeah? What are you talking about? I didn't lie to you. I did the first hole myself. When you saw me, that was the hole I did. Then when I got back, I redid it. Then Katie went out, got a real piercing needle, and did another hole. Yeah, right below it, because the other hole wasn't like straight and stuff. I have one hole, but the other one's closed up. I'm not. Yeah. I didn't lie to you. Okay, love you. Well, I won't. Yeah. Tell him I said happy birthday. Oh, okay. Love you. That's not actually. Thanks, Dad. Love you. Bye. What did you say about Ashley? Yeah!
Oh my god.
He thought that you were Ashley. And he was like...
I'm not Ashley.
No, we're close. Yeah, so you guys just saw me talk to my dad. Heard me, probably, maybe. Wasn't a very pleasant conversation, so I lied to him, but I did it. So, Daddy, if you want to, I love you. Love you. I'll give you a kiss. I will give you a kiss. Why isn't it going? See, it's not going.
Double click it.
It's not working.
Double click.
There we go. Kiss. Okay, so the dude guys, and get in front of them real quick. I'm talking about you real quick. I'm gonna tell them that you're not a hobo. Okay.
Here.
That dude over there is not a hobo.
The dude you see in the background?
Yeah. It's not a hobo. He's just her little brother. But she don't have to consider him her brother. Yeah. I have 2 sisters. Tiffany, Jocelyn, whatever. 3 brothers. Jacob, Jesse, Dakota, whatever. 3 moms. 3. My mom's a lesbian, so there's 2. And then my stepmom. And then I got my dad.
I have 3 brothers. They're Ryan, Aaron, 1 sister, Jessie, 1 mom, he's a kitty cat.
Well,
Important.
I have 2 kitties. Maybe. I do.
Buffy and Teresa.
Buffy and Teresa. The fatty and the black one. You can't put that on YouTube. I'm gonna put it on YouTube anyways. You guys are gonna watch this and you're gonna be like, oh, that's funny. I'm just gonna throw it off and laugh at it. I love Andy Six. A lot of people do, but I'm not one of those crazy soccer fans.
Just a little
I'm
obsessed.
not obsessed. I met you once, July 28th.
Like a good neighbor, stay focused there.
Best day of my life. I did not freak out when I met you like all those other girls.
Like a good neighbor, stay
I freaked out after I left. I was in the car like, oh my gosh.
I'm not making sure the senior
dark
people,
side.
okay?
I know. Get a dark side. Get off your phone.
State Farm agents are there when you need them.
Yeah, this dude. I don't know about. Just pointing that out. And if you go to Goshen, I mean, Milford, our school, and you tease it, I'll kick your butt. I can't say the ASS word. That's not appropriate.
What, for me? So what? I hear it all the time.
Yes.
From Cody's mom.
But it's not appropriate. I am very,
You don't look like it.
I'm ladylike. I'm sitting with my legs crossed right now.
Hi.
It doesn't mean you're ladylike. Yeah, I wear dresses and skirts and high heels.
Okay, I'd be scared. Skinny jeans.
I'd be
black
scared to
makeup.
I'd be scared to see you in a dress. Makeup. I have blue eyes. Maybe a dress.
Yes.
Brown screens, just like pink area. No offense. No offense.
Poo. Her eyes are poo. You have brown eyes in there. Yeah, that means it's chocolate.
I love you guys. I'm gonna cry. Can we go to bed now? They're coming to get me. I did not wake you up.
I woke up and then you were just laying there awake, so I couldn't go back to sleep.
I was playing puzzle.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at like 7 something.
And you were there for an hour.
I didn't lay there for an hour. My nose is bleeding, so I had to go to the bathroom and take care of that.
Why was your nose bleeding? Does it feel like it?
We're gonna go.